What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button. Now let's get all into it. Bitcoin is just trading sideways. Not a lot of excitement to the upside or the downside. Nevertheless, people are still being nervous. Still a lot of folks that are impatient, and people are biting their nails because they're seeing these other markets. They're seeing gold hit an all-time high at $5,000. They're seeing silver blow through the roof. And they're looking at their portfolio saying, what about us? What about cryptocurrency? Is it because Donald Trump wants cryptocurrency to fail? You read some of the comments, people are going in on the president, Donald Trump. They say, man, this was the worst thing that could have ever happened to cryptocurrency. If you believe that, hit the comments down below. Let me know what your opinion is. Do you think Donald Trump was good for cryptocurrency? Is good? Do you think he is not good for cryptocurrency? Do you think had the other administration got elected, do you think we would have seen a different 2025? Do you think cryptocurrency will be in a different space that it's in right now? Because once we got the Trump administration in, we were expecting to go to the roof. But prior to that, things have just been gradually increasing. Not super increases, but we have been seeing just some constant gradual increases. Then we get this administration in office. They may have sold us a bill of goods, promised us things that they probably wasn't expecting to deliver. He came to the Bitcoin conference 2024. Yeah, 2024. Said he's going to be the Bitcoin president. He was going to get Gary Gensler out of there on day one. We were cheering for him. We said, oh man, this is it. If we get a pro-Bitcoin president administration, then his sons came talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum like they knew about cryptocurrency. These boys had never knew anything about cryptocurrency. They was just faking it till they made it. And what did they do? They came out, got elected, made that meme coin. Boom. Billions and billions of dollars were sucked out of the liquidity of cryptocurrency. We were rug pulled by the president, the person who said that they were going to be proactive for us. They was going to help us out. They say you got to be careful when you play with those politicians. So we played XYZ and we got XYZ, if you know what I'm saying. I can't say it on YouTube, but let me go ahead and get this out the way. This is not financial advice. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. This video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. Before investing into anything, please consult with a professional financial advisor. But if you look to see who really pushed that administration over the top to get elected, it was that doggone Bitcoin conference. It was us cryptocurrency long-term holders. We pushed that man over the top, believe it or not. It was the cryptocurrency community that pushed that man over the top to where he was able to bypass the Republican candidate. So you take a look, you say, you know what we got coming up 2026? We got midterm elections. When will Trump pump the markets for cryptocurrency? When will the leader of the free world pump the cryptocurrency markets? We know he can do it. We've seen him do it before. We one tweet away, 2 tweets away from getting a little bit of a relief rally. He knows how to do it whenever he wants to do it. So the question is, when will Trump pump the cryptocurrency markets? If the cryptocurrency markets don't pump, if we don't get some type of relief rally before the midterm elections, he's going to feel it. His entire party is going to feel it because people are upset right now. I'm taking a look at other cryptocurrency channels, looking at my cryptocurrency channel. People are not watching like they used to. You see a lot of emotions. People are fed up. People are unsubscribing from so many channels. And people are just done with cryptocurrency. They're selling off their AltCoins. They're deleting their cryptocurrency apps. Talking about emotions. We're seeing people that are really hurt, people that are really upset, like never before. I mean, viewerships are down all across the board in cryptocurrency YouTube. So things are at that breaking point. So you ask yourself, when is he going to come in and save cryptocurrency? Which is horrible. The fact that he has that much power in cryptocurrency really says a lot. So is cryptocurrency really as strong as we think it is? Or Bitcoin only thing that we should really be flocking to? These other coins are just fly-by-night coins. These are some of the things that we have on our table when we are discussing the future of cryptocurrency. They did us in with XRP. Ethereum ETFs seem like they did us in with that. How come Ethereum didn't explode? If there was so much money flowing into the ETFs, how come these other altcoins didn't explode once the ETFs were approved and there was so much outside money, large institutional money flowing into these ETFs, XRP, Solana, HBAR? Some of the things that you have to ask yourself. These are legitimate questions that you really have to write down on your vision board and ask yourself. Say it out loud and do some research and try to figure out why. Why is the question. So we know Q1 tax returns. Will the market get a little bit of pump from that? Almost at the end of January 2026, tax returns will be flowing in February. So will we see an increase from that? Will we still get the tariff relief stimulus? They discussed that, talked about that, or was that just a talking point? Once again, this administration has been very good with the various talking points. They've been very good with telling you what it is that you want to hear. Told us what we wanted to hear in 2024. We went to the voting booths and voted based on what they told us. Still got a chance. Still waiting. Like I say, even if it take us to the next cycle, to the next administration. Now that we look, we say, you know what, Gary Gensler, we apologize. Maybe you wasn't so bad after all. Maybe now we know what and who the real bad person is. But nevertheless, Bitcoin is still holding strong, $89,400, which is not so bad. Not so bad from where a lot of folks thought we would be at right about now. A lot of folks were talking about mid $70,000 range. Folks were talking about $60,000 range. I even heard $53,000 range for Bitcoin in 2026. So to still be at $89,000, almost $90,000 for Bitcoin, I'll take that. What is the Bitcoin dominance doing? You guessed it. Doing what it's been doing over the past year and a half. Dominating. Increasing. The Bitcoin dominance right now, 59.21%. Going up. Fear index, 34. Going down from the 50 that we were at a few days ago when Bitcoin was touching $97,000. Up and down roller coaster. Don't get too comfortable. Don't get too cocky when the market's going up. And when the market's going down, you keep that same energy. Don't get too low when the markets are going low. Stay even keel. Relax. Ride this joker out. Take a look at Ethereum. We are below $3,000 with $2,950. Ethereum dominance, 11.80%. We are below the 12% mark now for Ethereum. Bitcoin is still has the entire market in a headlock. Nothing is moving except Bitcoin. What are we doing? We're still making money in the DGen plays. Over there on Moonshot, if you click the link down below, you'll get access to Moonshot. These are some of the coins you can make money in 1 day, 2 days. Buy low, sell high, get your butt up out of there, take some profits. These are some of the coins you don't want to sit in. But matter of fact, I was in this coin last night. A few days ago, I've been in this coin. Let me see what the name of this coin is. Man, I got into this coin a few days ago. I think the market cap was like $3 million market cap. This thing ran up. I made great multipliers. In a few days, I started to panic. Not really panic. It's called Nichuan Penguin. Well, I got into this thing about $3.2 million market cap. That thing ran up, I think, to, it's dipping now. I'm glad I saw. It ran up to $13 million market cap. So last night, I said, man, let me go ahead and get out this play before I lose all my profit. So I sold last night. Boy, I woke up, that thing had doubled from where it was again last night. I said, dang. So what did I do? I waited till it dipped just a little bit. I got some more skin in the game, got a nice position back in. Later on this afternoon, probably about an hour ago, I opened up my portfolio. I said, damn, it done doubled again from where it was this morning. That's how you can dominate even during the market right now. When the market seems dry, when the market seems boring, man, it's a party over here. It's a party over here on Moonshot with these DJing plays. You have to know how to identify them. You have to know how to look on the deck screener, look at the holders. Um, nothing is guaranteed, nothing is for sure. But right now, I'm in one, two, three. I'm in three plays. The niche one, Penguin, that play ran up. I made a lot of money on that play. Um, sold 75%. I still got 25% in there, but profits have already been secured. Now I'm into two new plays, and I'm waiting on these plays to do the same thing that niche one Penguin did. And I put those plays over there in the Patreon. If you guys are interested, take a look at them, do your own due diligence. But the other play that I put in there, that thing is starting to run now. I might sell tonight, take profits. So depending, the market cap on this coin, $2.1 million market cap. If this thing get to $20 million market cap, that's a 10x. The same with the niche one Penguin. We got into that one at 3.2 million. Right now it's 28 million. It's sliding. It's 27 million right now. That thing's sliding. So this is I'm gonna call my daughter. I'm like, you want, because she didn't get in this one. I'm like, you might want to get in right now while it's dipping. It's sliding right now. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's dipping right now. It's down 13% in 1 hour, but that's when you want to get in. I pulled out 75%. I still got 25% in. I'm probably going to get back in depending on how it dipped, because this thing seemed to run well overnight. So paying attention to the characteristics of these doggone coins, rinsing and repeating, buying low, selling high. If it dip down back low, I'll get back in, running back up, exit again, rinse and repeat is what I've been doing over here on Moonshot. I'm talking about, man, you find the right plays over here. Just like that play we had, we were in on Moonshot. I think we ran it a couple of weeks ago. What's the name of that damn play? Hey, you talking about it? This stuff is, hey, there's a lot of excitement over here on this Moonshot. Can't find that play, but every week it's a new play that you could get in and you can run this doggone thing up. See if I can find that play. But man, we kicking their butt over there. So that right there kind of allowed me to let my other portfolios just relax. Even though they're getting beat up, I don't like the idea that they are getting beat up, but I'm just this allows me to be more patient, because I'm still making money on this side, even though my money is being stagnated in these other portfolios. My Coinbase portfolio, my funds are stagnant, Uphold stagnant. So my crypto.com probably stagnant, getting destroyed, but making money weekly on this Moonshot. So trying to learning as we go, getting it figured out, because for a while I was so against DGen coins, because I'm like, man, because I was more of a long-term holder with crypto. But I understand, man, you get into some of these coins, small cap coins, short term. You get in, take profits, get out. Get in, take profits, get out. We're not getting married to anything. Yeah, that Szechuan Penguin, I love that play. I ain't about to put no ring on it. Make some money, 75% I'm taking out. If it keep running up, I still got skin in the game. If it run down, cool. Now I can watch it with only a little bit of investment in there. If I see it get down to a low level to where I think it's going to spike back up, let me go and add some more in there. Run it up again, rinse and repeat, kicking their butt. Kicking their butt. So I'm having a good day today, because I'm looking at that particular play. That particular play have taken I made money today. I made money last night because I sold last night. But had I not have sold last night, But you just never know, and you can never fault anyone for taking profits. I'm not gonna be mad at myself for taking profits last night. Do I wish I had a risk a little more? Yeah, but like I say, high risk, high reward. What if I would have risked it and woke up this morning and it would have been 50% down? Because that's the possibility when you playing with crypto, especially these DJing coins. So I did the right thing, secured them damn profits. Woke up this morning, waited for it to dip, got back in. 3, 4 hours later, it had doubled in 3 or 4 hours. So that's the magnificent and wonderful thing about cryptocurrency, that a lot of folks really don't understand, don't know about. All they know about is XRP, SUI, the big, large cap coins, but it's very hard for those coins to double. Will they double? Yes, they will, but it's going to take a while because we're talking about $1 billion market caps. These coins right here, I'm talking about $3 million market caps, $2 million market caps. You take a $2 million market cap, it get to $20 million. That's a 10x. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. You can watch my DJing plays. You do your own research, do your due diligence before you get into any play. But it has been a wonderful thing because it's always good to make money. Making money puts you in a good mood, especially with crypto. Cryptocurrency is so emotional. Losing money, man, that'll put you in a messed up mood. That'll have you snapping at folks, have you not wanting to talk. And then when you're making money, you the happiest person. You, but man, why you so bubbly? Why you so happy? Look at my portfolio. Look how much I made in one night. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great and awesome cryptocurrency community. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.